Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Phil. I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. And for today's video, we're going to continue on the week with 5 days of ALiEN. This is look number 4, and I went in with not only ALiEN, I also went in with the Blood Sugar palette. So yeah, if you wish to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so now let's start this look. First I'm going to go in with the ALiEN palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Titan. Just like all the other looks, I'm going to use this one to set my eye primer and use it as a base. So for the eyeshadow, it's going to be really simple. We're just going to go in with Gravity as well as X-Files. We're going to use Gravity in the crease and then to deepen it with X-Files. It's just going to be a real simple look because really it's just going to be the wings and the eyeshadow underneath that's going to make the look. So first we're going to go in with Gravity and just coat the brush. Then tap off the excess and then just put that in the crease. And then just like math class, which do to one eye, you gotta do the other. Alright, and next we're gonna go in with the shade X-Files. We're gonna coat this brush, and for this one, we're going to take it into the outer V and then also put it into the crease to add some depth. So I'm going to take X-Files and I'm just going to stamp it into the outer V. And then after stamping it, I'm going to take it into the crease to deepen that up. Alright, next we're going to dip into the Blood Sugar palette, and I think I'm going to go in with the shade Ouch. Okay, so let's just take Ouch and run it through the crease just to warm it up. I'm going to go back into Gravity. I'm just going to make sure that everything is nicely and blended out. So I'm going to take that and just blow everything out, making sure that the top is all where I want it to be at. Alright, there we go. Now I'm ready to do the under eye. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the shade Flying Saucer, and I'm going to take this and smoke out all underneath and then just drag that shade all the way in. So I'm going to start here where the shadow meets and bring it all the way to the inner corner. So when you have the shadow kind of where you want it to be, you can then start blending it out. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to take the shade Cherry Soda, and I'm just going to dip the brush, and just like this side, I'm just going to pack the shade on and then blend it out. Alright, so next I'm going to go and do the wing liner. I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick since I don't have an eyeliner that is green or red. So I'm going to go in with the shade Mistletoe as well as the shade Redrum to do the liners. Okay, so how I use these and how I see to get them to be so pigmented, I'm just going to go in with the brush and then just don't be scared, just dive your brush in. I wouldn't wait for it to dry, I would just put it on right away. Because I kind of feel like if you wait for it to dry, it does get a little tacky and a little bit hard to maneuver. So just go right on in. Okay, so I'm done with the shape of it. So I'm gonna dump the applicator back in there. I'm gonna shake it up so it has a little bit more product. I'm just gonna go back into it. I kind of go over the liner just to make it more pigmented. I'm gonna go back in with Flying Saucer using this itty bitty tiny blending brush. I'm just gonna blend this little corner in between the wing and my bottom eyeshadow. And there we go, and there is the green side. Now I'm gonna do the red side. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the shade Redrum. I'm gonna take this and do the wing line on this side. Alrighty, and we're just gonna, just like Mistletoe, we're just gonna dunk the brush into the doe foot applicator. Now I'm at the point where I'm gonna do the second wing. Let's pray to Jesus that this wing matches up with this one. We're gonna go back in with cherry soda and just connect this outer corner of the wing liner as well as the eyeshadow. Just this small little detail right here. Okay, next I'm gonna wet this brush, wet this pencil brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade, Interstellar. Just tap that in there, and then put this in the inner corner of both eyes. So the look is kind of a little bit dull, so I think I'm going to go in with the shade Pluto and just rub that over the lid part to give it that extra oomph. So I'm going to take some on the brush. I'm also going to wet it with Fix Plus. And we're just going to spackle this a little bit over the lid just to give the look a little bit more of a Christmas holiday spirit. We're going to tap it. Pluto is like a white shimmery shade, so I feel like this will definitely give it a Christmas look. I probably should have just cut the crease, but I didn't want to. Alright, so next I'm going to take this look up 15 notches. Alright, now to take this look to the stars, the moon, and into the galaxy, I'm going to take the shade ALiEN, I'm going to put it in the inner crease of the red side, and then I'm going to dip into the blood sugar, take a shimmer shade out of that, and put it in on top of the green. So that will mix it up. Alrighty, and now I'm back. My camera died, and I think the memory got full. I don't know what happened. Anyways, so off camera, I did a lot. I went in with the shade Pluto, and I took that over the lid. And then once that was set, I believe I went in with the Flying Saucer to do over the green. And then I went into the blood sugar palette, and then I took cherry soda and put that over this side, just to accent each other with giving them the opposite colors. And then I went in with a little bit of the Supreme Frost in the shade Wet Dreams. And so I just took a little bit with the brush and dabbled it over the lid just to give it a little sparkle. Now I think I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna go in with the Natasha Denona, the Diamond and Blush palette. There is a beautiful pink tone blushing. I'm gonna take that and just add color to the cheek because it has such a bright look and the rest of my face is like skin tone. Now this blush is very pigmented, so I'm just gonna take just a little bit, tap off the excess. Ooh, yes, that's a cute color. Alright, so I'm going to do lashes, but I'm going to do them off camera, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back. I believe my camera cut out, because it only records in certain increments. For lashes, I went in with the Morphe So Charming Lashes, and for lips, I went in with Redrum. So yeah, this completes the look. last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and spray the face. And this completes the look. Alrighty, and this is the final look right here. And I didn't use any new products in this video, so I don't really have anything to review. But what I have to say is the ALiEN eyeshadow palette, I am loving and living it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by clicking that like button down below. If you enjoyed me, then show me some love by subscribing to my channel and sharing this video with all your friends and family. If you wish to follow me outside of social media or outside of YouTube, my social media links will be linked down below. And if you enjoyed this video, then click the ones that are floating all around. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day.